Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to restart your Narwal Freo Z10. If you're interested in the Freo Z10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So, restarting your vacuum is different from resetting your vacuum. A reset's going to be like a full-fledged factory reset. This is just a simple on and off to reboot or restart your vacuum. So what you do is you press and hold for 2 seconds, the power button, and it does press in, it's not just touch.
Powering off.
And we have that voice prompt there, powering off. The light is now blue. So we'll give it a second here. That will shut off, and then you'll know that the unit is off, and then we'll do the same thing again to reboot or restart the vacuum. We're going to press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. The light's blue again. Now it's white. It's blinking. We now have some startup music.
Narwal.
Still blinking. You can hear a couple little noises internally of the machine as well too. There's the light. Still blinking for us. But that's the button that you're going to use to power on and off your robot vac. It will let you know. You'll hear that voice prompt powering off, and you'll hear the startup music with the Narwal once it boots up. So, simple and straightforward to restart your vacuum just by holding the power button, turning it on or off, and then back on again.